Students, welcome back to the channel. Students, we are going to take today 15.5 practice set. Okay, only two questions are there. Second question is reduced from the syllabus because of incomplete information in the figure. Okay, so on page number 102, we are going to take first question. Okay, so find the areas of the given plot. It's very simple. We just find the areas of the given plot here. Okay, so I already written the questions. So let's start our new video. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and comment your views how you like the video. Okay, so very simple. We have figures here. See here, P, Q, R, S, T here. Now here, if you see, there are four right angle triangle. That is, one is PQA. Okay, another is PBT here. Another is SBT, and the last is RCS. So what we have to do is we have to take out the four answer, that is area of triangle 1 upon 2 into base into height, considering that formula. Okay, that four equation. Then after that QRCA, again we have to find out this area also. So this area, this and this we have to add it, so we'll get the value of the entire plot. Okay, so let's start. We'll start in this way. In triangles, first of all we'll take PQA. In triangle PQA, we know the formula 1 upon 2 into base into height. Okay, so 1 upon 2 into the base is PA and the height is QA. Okay, so we have some information also, values also. So 1 upon 2 into PA is 30 and QA is 50 in the question. So we have to divide this 2 into 30, this is 15. Okay, so 15 into 50, that gives you 15 5 is 75, so 750 meter square will give equation number 1. Okay, similarly we'll take PBT now. In triangle PBT, same formula, 1 upon 2 into base into height. So 1 upon 2 into, in PBT the base is PB and the height is BT here. Okay, BT, come on, substitute the value now. So 1 upon 2 into the value of PB is, now see here, the value of PB is 30 plus 30. Okay, P and B, 30 plus 30 is 60 here. So we need to write 60 and BT is 30. Again we have to divide with 2. So it becomes 30. So 30 into 30, that gives you 900. So 900 meter square. Okay. Similarly, now we'll take SBT now. So in triangle SBT, same 1 upon 2 into base into height. So 1 upon 2 into SBT, the base is SB now and the height is BT. So 1 upon 2 into, same SB value 60 plus 30 is 90. Okay, we need to carefully take out this value. Then BT is 30. Again we need to divide this 2 by 90 or 2 by 30. You will be getting 15 here. So 1 into 90, 90 into 15. Okay, so the answer is 15 nines are 135. So 135 meter square, equation number 3. Okay, now similarly one more is there, RCS. So we need to take out, in triangle RCS is equal to 1 upon 2 into base into height. So 1 upon 2 into the base of RCS is CS and the height is RC. Substitute the value, 1 upon 2 into CS is 60 and the base is 25. So divide this 60 by 2, you'll be getting 30. Okay, so 30 into 25, which gives you 750 meter square. Okay, equation number 4. So all the four answer we got it. Now again we need to take out this quadrilateral, that is QRCS. One more area is left. We have already taken out 1, 2, 3 and 4 area. One more area is left. So we'll add all these values, we'll get the area of the plot. Okay. So we need to take out area of quadrilateral QRCA. Okay. So it's like a trapezium. So 1/2 into the sum of all the parallel side into height. Okay. So sum of parallel side is sum of parallel side is QA and RC. So we need to take QA plus RC, okay, multiply by AC. This one AC. So 1/2 into QA plus RC, okay, 50 plus 25, this 50 and 25, then multiply by AC is 60, 30 plus 30 is 60. Okay, so this we need to add it and this we need to divide it. So 50 plus 25 is 75 into 30. So 75 3s are 225. So 2250 meter square. Okay, now we need to take out the entire area. So therefore area of PQRST. Okay, so we need to add all this value, that is area of triangle PQA. Okay, area of triangle PQA plus area of triangle PBT plus area of triangle SBT plus area of triangle RCS plus area of quadrilateral QRCA. Okay, so we need to add all this value. So 750, we got it, equation number 1. Equation number 2, we got it 900. And this is 1350. This is 750. And the last value we got it 2250. Okay, so now we need to add it 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So it is 0, 1. Okay, then 5, 10, 15, 15 and 20, again 0 to carry, then 2, 7, 9, 9, 12, 12, 12, 22, 23 and 7, 20, again 0 to carry. So 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 carry us. So the answer is 6000 meter square. Okay, so this is the practice set question, only one practice set, only one question is there in this practice set, and another question is reduced because of incomplete information in the questions. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Okay, so thank you very much, thanks for watching, take care of yourself.